What's poppin', guys? Back with another banger. Mia, sit! Sorry about that, guys. I just got an Amber Alert and I was so scared. And I said, Mama, I'm scared. And she said, don't worry, read it to me. And once I was done with the beeping, it said COVID-19. And my mom said maybe someone died and passed away. But whoever passed away that's watching this video, right now, pray for that person that died and passed away, God. And people. And um one time I was coming home from Pearland while I was selling my dad's seats in his white pickup truck to one person. When we were coming back from Canes, I really had to go potty. Until that time I saw an ambulance at the PMX store, and that was freaking me out. And I'm like, oh my god, like the Angry Birds, that like the clown bird, like, oh my god. Hold on, Mia, sit. Sorry guys, but I'm going to just see if I can expose Ryan's World's number today. So anyways, peace out until then.